Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds AirPods 3 Pro support wireless charging? So, in front of me I have a wireless charging station. Firstly, let me connect it to the power. And now we should put these earbuds at the charging station, and we see the LED light on the front side at the charging case, meaning that your earbuds are charging. So my short answer is yes, these earbuds support wireless charging. And because of that, we can also use reverse wireless charging if your phone supports this technology. You need to go to the settings, then scroll down, click at the battery, and right here we have battery share. Enter here, and we need to enable this mode. So tap at the slider, and then we can turn over the phone and put these earbuds at your phone. We need to find a good position, and now, as you can see, it's also charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.